How to edit and change your website on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. On Sear here, click this 3 points in top corner and then click edit profile. And on Sear here, scroll down and then click contacts. And here we'll find it a website. Just click on it and change it and then save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.